Good evening everyone, I am Joselito Calderon, and for today's video, I am going to discuss learning difficulties. So there are many types of learning difficulties, but I am just going to discuss one. So the learning difficulties that I choose is physical disability. So what is physical disability? Physical disability. It refers to the musculoskeletal deformities, difficulty in mobility, physical capacity, stamina, or dexterity. It includes brain or spinal cord injuries, multiple sclerosis, cerebral palsy, respiratory disorders, epilepsy, hearing and visual impairments, and more. So one example of physical disability is cerebral palsy. So cerebral palsy is a group of movement disorder that appear in early childhood. It is caused from not getting enough blood, oxygen, or other nutrients before or during birth. So common symptoms of cerebral palsy are cognitive impairment, slurred speech, lack of muscle control, and lack of bowel control. That's all for one of the types of learning difficulties in physical disability featuring cerebral palsy. Thank you for watching.